So what you can also do is you can render out pattern inside of GIMP. So in order to render out patterns, you need to go around under the filters menu, and then you need to go around under render. And over here you can see that pattern is an option. And there are many patterns that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Like for example, there's pair matrix right here. You can go around, change around the scale right here. You can work around with the amplitude right here. You can change around with the offset and so forth. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also go around and utilize reflect right here and utilize the opacity to go around and see the layer beneath it right here. You can also go around and then simply multiply it out to apply a pattern to the particular image as well. Similarly, there are other patterns around over here. So for that, you need to go around under filters and then under render. You can see that pattern. There is checkerboard pattern right here, just like this. Similarly, you can work around with the opacity and then work around with the width and height right here for this particular pattern right here. Similarly, let's go around with the other patterns right here. Then you can go around on the patterns. There's diffraction pattern around over here, just like this, which is more of a complex pattern right here. You can go around, change around the red frequency right here, just like this, and then it changes that around as well. So there's red contours right here, just like this as well. You can go for sharp edges or not very sharp edges and see the brightness level and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. Let me just go around and press cancel right here for this one. And apart from that, you can also see that if I were to go around onto render, onto pattern, there's grid pattern as well that you can add in. So you can work around with the offset. You can go around, work around with the color right here, just like this, and change around the color of the grid right here, just like this. Let me just go around and then let's say, for example, multiply this out right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go around over here, and then you can also see that there's linear sinusoid right here, just like this. You can work around with the X and Y and amplitude right here, just like this. Change around the angle around over here as well, and change around the offset and the exponent as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. Apart from that, you can go around over here and then let's say, for example, go around onto pattern right here, and there's maze pattern as well, just like this, as you can see right here. You can change around the width, the height right here, just like this, and then you can change around the foreground color right here, and then change around the random seed as well, just like this, and then that is what you have. You can go around, change around the color, and this is what you have right here. Apart from that, you can go around over here and then you can see that there's let's say, for example, let's go around onto pattern. There's sinus pattern right here, just like this as well, and you can change around the seed, change around the X scale, the Y scale, and so forth right here as well. Apart from that, you can go around over here and then work around with pattern and go for spiral pattern as well, and you can see that this is what you have. You also have these little controls right here that you can go around and click and drag out right here and change this around to change the amount of the spiral for each of the color as well, just like this. So apart from that, let me just go around over here onto render, onto pattern right here. There's checkerboard legacy pattern right here, just like this. So simply in a legacy format right here. Then if I were to go around onto pattern, there's CML Explorer as well, just like this. So this is more like these kind of a pattern right here. You can go around and press OK, and you can see that you get more like this pattern right here. Then there are other patterns right here, like there's grid legacy pattern, which simply brings out the grid in this format right here. So you can simply apply out the grid right here. Then you can also see that there's zigzag pattern right here, just like this. It changes out everything into like a jigsaw puzzle, as you can see right here. And if I were to go around and press OK right here, then you got the jigsaw puzzle around over here. So let's just go around onto pattern again, and then finally we got cubist pattern right here. So if I were to go around, you can go around, choose different type of patterns right here, and then if I were to go around and press OK, this will be applied out right here. And that is how you can render out different type of patterns. And you can see that there are a lot of choices of patterns inside of GIMP for you to render. So you can see that the This is taking some time right here, and this is what you have. So that is how you can render out different kind of patterns inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.